again. Today we have a tablet on the desk. The problem with the tablet, when you plug in the charger and when you move the charger it stops charging. I don't know, can the camera focus, but if you move the charger it goes to 0, and then when you move it again it starts drawing some amps. The tablet is used by a child, so probably we have a problem with the Type-C connector. So I have to open the tablet and check whether we can do something or not. So let's start. This should be yeah. There's the tablet. Now the charging port, here the charging port is moving, so basically we have to take out the board because the port is on the other side. So the first thing, of course, we have to disconnect the battery. We have cables here for the microphone. Let's disconnect the display and the touchpad, I think. The touch screen, sorry. Yeah. It's nice when everything is on the connectors and you don't have to solder and desolder stuff. Much easier to work. So let's remove the screws. And we should be able to lift the board. We have one more. We have some foil here. Ouch. It's not looking good. Let's have a look under the microscope. Let me try to I think I should remove the port and check what's going on under. And the port is out. Let me clean the holes. Yeah, that's fine. We want to clean after that. Now we have this and this, they should be together. These are no connect, I think, or they're going on the other side of the board. Yeah, pretty much they use the tablet just for charging, so we're gonna put the port. Let me clean it a little bit, and let me push this down so we can make the port a bit more steady. Let's like this. Let's see. We have to scrape a little bit. This is ground, the ground pin, so we have to solder it here. And we have to scratch here also, because if the customer takes the charger, it should be able to charge. Now let's solder whatever we have, and after that we wanna try and fix the rest. Sorry, you can't see. I'm not used to record while I'm doing. And now let's put a wire. Nice and steady. Now let's clean a little bit. Now I suppose the middle pins are for something like fast charging and so, but since I don't have a schematic, I have no idea where the pins are going. Probably on the other side where the probes are, the test points, but customer only wants the charging working. Everything else is not needed now. Let's clean this side also. Let's put this and test. Let's connect back everything. Now let's see. Yeah, we have 0.5. Probably the battery is flat, but if we move the charger, it goes to 0.7 amps. So yeah, we have 1.1 amp. I will try to show you under the microscope if it's possible. Yeah, we have 1.1, and when we move the port, it stays the same. So pretty much we fix this. Now I have two controllers for replacing left buttons. If I have time, I'll probably do a video for them also. So see you later, I guess. Bye bye for now.